This morning we will be making a refreshing drink. You will need a NutriBullet, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, ginger root, and 3 citrus of your choice. Today I'm using oranges, lemons, and limes. You can also use a grapefruit, any 3 of your choice. And I do recommend that you make sure when you do buy fruit, it contains seeds. All right, I took a few minutes to peel the garlic, peel the ginger, and partially peel the key limes. I went ahead and left some of the skin on there because it is very good for you. And then I've peeled the lemons and the oranges. And I want to recommend a fruit and vegetable wash. And these things are supposed to remove waxes, pesticides, and chemicals. And even if you are using organic, which is best but extremely expensive, go ahead and give them a little wash too. I'm going to be making 2 of these drinks today, 1 large and 1 medium. These are the containers that came with our NutriBullet. And I'm going to place the things in accordingly by size. Pouring the olive oil on top of all the ingredients. I'm going to add a little crushed ice. Then I will pour in some water. And I do sometimes go past the max line. Don't tell NutriBullet. We've got number 1, and now we will whip up number 2. And now we have 2 of the healthiest drinks this side of the Pecos. Enjoy! This drink tastes really yummy too, but I do want to let you know that if you don't drink it very fast, it can start to thicken. And you might want to add a little more water and just stir it around to thin it out a little bit so you can continue to drink it. And don't be surprised if there's a little bit of ginger and some of the lime skin still hanging around, but just chew them up. They're really good for you. We have 3 books. They're called Off and On the Beaten Path, The Unclassic Road Trip. There's the Eastern Edition, which covers most of the states east of the Mississippi River. The Central Edition, which covers the Great Plains and the Rocky Mountain states. The Western Edition covers the Pacific Northwest and the Southwest.
Even we use these books when we travel.
They include facts and tips and information on state parks, national parks, places to tour, famous people, and the weather.
If you're going to go on a trip, want to have some advice as to what might be interesting, they're great armchair traveler books. They're good books for homeschoolers. They're good books for anybody who wants to learn more about our country.
They're $18 each plus $4 shipping and handling. Tell them what happens if you order all 3.
The shipping is free.
These will make a great Christmas present. You can also order online, and the link is below. Share our videos with friends and family.